Here we are in Frisco, and the arms are going down for BNSF. Looks like a coal train. It's coming in southbound. There's a Union Pacific engine on there. From the conductors, they gave me a wave. All the coal cars are full, piled to the brim with coal. It's 3:02-ish in Frisco here. They usually come by from 3 to 4, so this one's coming by a little bit early. It's a nice little surprise there to have the Union Pacific on there. This is a long one for Frisco. I see the end of it. There's an engine on there. I'm pretty sure it's the end. It's far away. Yeah, for sure it's an engine on the end. That looks like 2 engines. Engine right there. Wow, this has been a great train for Frisco. 4 engines.